Namaste and good evening to all. Welcome to the 24th day of October Yoga Challenge. So, as usual, we'll start with making a humming sound three times. So, let's all close your eyes. Take a normal breath in, breathe out with a smile on your face. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath, breathing out, relax your shoulders, your arms, and whole body. Breathe in for making a humming sound three times and keep the attention on whole body. Breathe in. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. And wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment, here and now. So today we will do Agnisar Pranayam. So how we do Agnisar is we place the palms on our knees, facing the ground. And breathing in, we take our head up and back. Breathing out, we breathe out completely from the mouth. And once the complete breath is out, you hold the breath and slowly come up, lift up your shoulder up, pull your navel in, and then once you are ready in the position, you flap your tummy in and out, pump the abdomen. And once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and then relax. That's how we do Agnisar. So we will do it for three rounds. So let's start. Breathe in, slowly take your head up and back. And breathe out. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up. Flap your tummy in and out. And once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Let's continue with second round of Agnisar. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathe out. Hold the breath. Pull your navel in and up. Pump your abdomen in and out. Once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Let's do the third round of Agnisar. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathe out. Chin to the chest, pull your navel in and up. Flap your tummy in and out. Relax. Feel the sensation inside the body, around your navel region. Okay, now gently open your eyes. We will do some joint loosening exercises. So breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right and back, and breathing out, left and front. Make a nice circle. With a smile on your face, coordinate the movement with the breath. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in, left and back, and breathing out, right and front. Opposite direction. And then once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Now let's place our palms on our shoulder. Join your elbows in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up and back. And breathing out, down and front. Up and back and down and front. Make a nice circle. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in, back and up, and breathing out, front and down. And relax. Now let's align our spine. Spread your arms on both the sides. Keep looking at the screen in front of you and just take your arms back. Your face is still looking at the front. Keep moving. Keep aligning your spine. Go down a bit and then slowly start coming up. 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 And then join the palms together in front of the chest. Stretch your whole body. Stretch your whole spine. Breathing out, relax the stretch and then start coming down. And relax. Let's rock like a pendulum, left and right. Gently place the palms on the ground. Now just start placing the elbows also on the ground. Elbows also on the ground. And this time, lift your left arm up. Stretch your left arm. And on the other side. Continue. Make sure both the hips are touching the ground. Otherwise, the stretch will not be complete. And slowly come back to the center and relax. Let's do waist rotation. Straighten your back and breathing out. Go down, bend forward and breathing in from your right and back. Keeping your back straight and breathing out left and front. Make a nice body rotation. Reverse direction, breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. And once you complete this round, relax, slowly come up, sit in Dandasana, stretch your leg. Let's rotate our ankle as well and work for our legs. Stretch your toe pointing to the front wall and release and point to your own body. Front wall, own body. And then start making a nice circle. Ankle rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. And relax. Let's all stand up by shaking our fingers. Loosen your body. So today our exercises will be focused on the core strength. Core strength means the strength on the muscles around your abdominal region, your hip region, your thighs, this area. So we'll do exercises which will build the strength on this area. Okay. So let's start by making a Ridgati Injan Daud. You remember, right? Ridgati Injan Daud. We will punch as if we are punching a punching bag and hit our heels to the buttocks and make a sound from the nose like an engine. Okay, let's start. Relax. Catch a few breaths. Okay. Let's do the abdominal crunches while standing. So how we do abdominal crunches while standing is we touch our elbows, right elbow to the left knee and left elbow to the right knee like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. Don't give up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Relax. Take few breaths here. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Let's start with the asanas. So as usual, we start with Urdhva Tadasana. So breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, palms facing the sky, and slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your arms. And slowly bring your legs, feet down and relax your arms. Okay, let's do tree posture here. Transfer your whole body weight to the right leg and then gently lift up your left leg and place your left foot on the inner thigh of your right leg. Breathing in, take your arms in front of the chest first and then slowly take it up. Play with your toes and balance your body. And your leg is not like this, it's opened, the left leg. So we have practiced this posture many times. Now we can hold for a longer time. So let's take 5 breaths here. Relax. Let's do it on the other leg. Lift your right leg and place it on the inner thigh of the left leg. Breathing in, take your arms up. Join your palms on top and stay here. Continue breathing, do not hold the breath. And breathing out, relax. Okay, let's do our favorite posture, Veerbhadrasana 2, and moving into Parsvakonasana. So right foot 90 degrees outward, the left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Breathing out, bend your right leg. The right knee is exactly above the ankle. Okay, stay there. Stabilize yourself. Your body is still in the center. And now gently place your right elbow on your right knee and take your left arm. Body is in straight line. The left side of the body is in straight line. And from here, you may go down and place the palms in front of the foot or back of the foot, wherever is comfortable. So today, let me show you the back of the foot. It's more deeper. the left side of the body should remain in straight line. So if your body is coming in front like this, then it is not straight. Body should be in straight line. And breathing in, slowly come up. Back to Virabhadrasana 2. Relax your legs, loosen up your legs. Let's do it on the other side. Spread your leg once again. Turn your left foot 90 degrees outward, right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder and gently bend your left leg. Look at your left palm. Once you're stabilized on this pose, gently bend to the left side. Place your left elbow on your left knee. And your right side of the body is in straight line. You may push your hips a little down to make it straight. And from here, those who are comfortable here, they go down and place the palms on the ground. Front of the foot or the back of the foot. Front is easier than putting it back of the foot. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Loosen up your legs. Okay, let's come to the front of the mat. We will do one simple round of Surya Namaskar, and after that we'll use some posture of the Surya Namaskar to work on our core muscles. Okay? So let's start. Breathe in and out. Namaste 1. Namaskar-asana. Stay here, take few breaths. Breathing in, take your arms up and back. Stretch your arms. Push your hips forward, head back. Stay here. Hastuttanasana. And then straighten your back, breathing in, breathing out, bend forward. And place the palms by the side of your feet. Your back remains straight. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take your right leg back in Ashwasanchalanasana. Breathe in, hold the breath. Take left leg back. Body is in straight line in Dandasana, stick pose. Now gently place your knees on the ground. Take your body back, slide your chin forward and come to Ashtanga Namaskar. Only 8 parts of the body touching the mat or the ground. Your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes. Breathing in, Cobra. Bhujangasana. Breathing out, inverted V. Adho Mukha Svanasana. The downward facing dog. Once again, breathe in. Take your right leg back. Back to Ashwasanchalanasana. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your left leg back. In Hastapadasana. Breathing in, keeping your back straight. Slowly come up in Hastuttanasana. And back to Namaste. Okay, this was the first half of Surya Namaskar. Let's do the second half. Breathe in and out. Namaste 1, 2, front and up. 3, forward and down. 4, left leg back. Hold the breath, right leg back. Body is in straight line. Knee, chest, chin on the ground. Cobra. Inverted V. Left leg between the palms. Right leg between the palms. And slowly come up. And back to Namaste. So with this, we complete one round of Surya Namaskar. Let's go to the back of the mat. Like this. On one end. Back of the mat. Breathing in, slowly take your arms up
And breathing out, keeping your back straight, go into Hasta Padasana.
Place the palms in front of your foot, and from here, walk your palms forward and come to Chaturanga Dandasana. Take one breath here, and then slowly go back to Hasta Padasana again. We are working on our core muscles today. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Do not overdo. Back to Chaturanga Dandasana twice. So this is, we are going back to Hasta Padasana again. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Third time. Let's do it 5 times. Back to Hasta Padasana. Again, Chaturanga Dandasana. Again, back to Hasta Padasana. Slowly take one breath here and back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now, once you reach to the Chaturanga Dandasana, just hold here. Take few breaths and slowly go on your elbows. Same Chaturanga Dandasana. On the elbows. And come back to the palms. 1. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Again, go to the elbows. Second time. Again, come back to the palms. Very good. Again, go to the elbow. Third time. Again, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Okay. Again, fourth time. So remember, we are on the last week of our challenge. Fourth time. So this is the fifth time. Back on your elbows. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Those who can do only 2 times or 3 times, it's fine. Okay. Now let's, from Chaturanga Dandasana, move to the downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward facing dog. And from here, slowly come up on your toes and come to Chaturanga Dandasana and cross. Cross your palms, your shoulder crosses the palms. Hold here for 1 or 2 breaths and back to downward facing dog again. We're working on our core strength. Again, back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Crossing the shoulder. Very good. But don't take your hip down. You can make an upper curve on the back like this. And go back. Again, come to the front. Cross your palms. Keep holding your hip up. And again, go back. Back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Cross your palms. We have completed 3 times. Let's do 2 more times. Again, cross. And back to downward facing dog. Last time. Again, cross the palms. And back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now gently place your knee on the ground and relax in child pose for few breaths. Child pose for few breaths. Slide your palm in front of the chest and place it folded on the ground. But make sure your hips are still touching the heels. If not, then make a fist and place it below the head like this. And relax for few breaths. Take few long and deep breaths here. And gently, slowly come up and lie down on your stomach. Lie down on your stomach. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Gently make a fist with your palms by tucking the thumb inside and closing the forefinger and placing the fist around your thigh region near the groin and breathing in, lift both the legs up. Stretch both the legs. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing out, relax. Now gently take your arms out and stretch your arms over the head. We'll be doing Superman or Superwoman posture. Breathing in, lift up in Superman or Superwoman posture. Fly high. Stretch your arms and legs. Thighs are also above the ground. Only your stomach is touching the ground. And breathing out, relax. Bend your knees, hold the ankle. And breathing in, lift up in Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Bow posture. Breathing out, relax. Now gently switch over to your back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Okay. So now what we will do here is we will lift both the legs up as much as you can. And then both the legs up. And then breathing in, lift up, breathing out, lift up the upper half of the body. And try to bring your palms closer to your leg. Uttan Padasana. But do not hold your leg. Very good. Stay there with the help of your abdominal muscles. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. And breathing out. Slowly bring your legs down. Very slowly. And relax. Now let's do boat posture here. Take your arms up over the head. Boat posture is very important to build the core strength because we hold in boat posture with the help of your abdominal muscles. Okay. So breathing in, slowly come up the low boat or the high boat, whatever is comfortable to you, and then move your legs up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Once again, come to the boat posture. Breathe in, take your head up, and breathing out, come to the boat posture. Low or high, whatever is comfortable. And this time we will cross our legs. This side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Relax. Now let's join your feet together like this. Join your feet and your palms in front of the chest and slowly come up in boat posture. Your feet and palms in straight line. Stay here. Stay for a few more breaths. Your feet sole is touching each other. Huh? Feet like this. And breathing out, relax. Let's do Dakshinamurti Asana here. Spread your arms on both the side of the body. Bend both the legs. Now gently lift your right foot and place it on your right ankle on your left knee. Breathing out, drop both the legs to the left side of the body and you're facing the right palm. Breathing in, come back to the center, and breathing out, drop both the legs to the right side this time, and you're facing the left palm. Breathing in, center, and breathing out, left, face the right palm. Once again, breathe in, center, and to the right. And look at the left palm. Now let's change the legs. Now the left ankle on your right knee. Let's drop both the legs to the right side first and look at your left palm this time. Breathing in, come back to the center, both the legs to the center, and drop it to the right and look at your, drop it to the left and look at your right palm. In, center, the other side, in, center, and on the left side, last time, and relax. Now let's do Pawan Muktasana here, the wind release pose. Breathing in, bring in both the legs close to the chest. Hold both the legs. Once again, breathe in and breathing out. Bring your nose between the knees. Squeeze your body like an egg. Bring your knees closer to the chest, as close as possible. Every breath out, squeeze a little more and breathing in, relax. And now from here, you may rock your body forwards and backward. Rock your body forward and backward. You may drop your head to the ground and rock sideways. Now gently place both the feet on the ground and slide the feet and lie down. Lie down in Shavasana, the dead body posture. Now let's shake our body and make a humming sound. Shake your legs and shake your arms. Move your head left and right. Shake your whole body. And make a humming sound. Relax. Feel the prana becoming alive in each cell of your body. Your body is still like a statue. Your eyeballs are still. Your breath is becoming stiller and stiller. Let the body dissolve into the Mother Earth, becoming one with the earth element. And let your mind dissolve into the space. Gently bring your attention to the right foot. Right lower leg and knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Gently move your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder. Whole of your right arm. Left shoulder and left arm. Throat and neck region. Face. Forehead. Top of the head. Whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Taking support of your arm, slowly sit up. We will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam today, which is also known as Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. So how we do is, I'll give you the instruction. Just join your, for the left palm, just join your index finger and your thumb gently and place it on your left thigh. Place it on your left thigh. The right palm on your face, the middle finger and index finger between the eyebrows, thumb on your right nostril, the little finger and ring finger on your left nostril. To start with, breathe in from both the nostrils. Close the left nostril with the help of the thumb and breathe out from the, close the right nostril with the help of the thumb and breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril. Close the left and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right.
Close the right and breathe out from the left. This is one round. Keeping your back straight and take long and deep breaths and continue for 4 more rounds on your own. And once you breathe out for the last round, relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. So this Nadi Shodhan Pranayam helps to balances our Ida and Pingala Nadis and also prepare us for the meditation. Sit with your spine erect, body relaxed and loose. Gently bring the attention to your whole body. Now gently bring the attention on your head region. On your face. Back of the head, behind your face. And gently bring your attention to the top of the head. Body is still. Attention on top of the head. Let go all your efforts and relax.
Gently breathe in. Tension on your smile. Gentle smile on your face. Breathe in with a smile. And breathe out with a smile. Become aware of your body and the surrounding. And whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes.